Hi there, this tutorial will show you how to create a point style sheet theme in MAPublisher. So as you can see, I've opened the MyPoints.ai file from one of our previous tutorials, which is titled the Import Points from Delimited XY Text Data tutorial. You can go back and complete this tutorial if you have not yet done so that way you can get started on this one after that. So now that we've covered that, the first thing I want to do is open up the Symbols menu, which I can do by going to Window and then scrolling down to Symbols. And there we go, that will open up the Symbols panel. And now what I'd like to do is open a symbol library, which I can do by pressing that button at the bottom and selecting Map Symbols and then Map-Symbols. So this opens up a big library of map symbols that comes with MAPublisher. And what I want to do is shift and select all of the symbols in this library and drag them over to my Symbols panel. Okay, so now I can close out that library. And I'd like to open the Map Themes panel next, which I can find up here, the little paintbrush. And I want to create a new map theme, which I can do by clicking the plus symbol. And I'm going to title this Point Data and select a feature type of point and click OK. Next, I want to double click my Point Data style sheet to open up the Map Themes panel option menu. Next, I want to click to specify my layers, and I'll select the only point layer in the document and click OK. And then I want to click the plus button 4 times to add 4 rules to my sheet. I'm going to rename these rules to airport, church, hospital, and park because those are the symbols that I want to show on my map. Okay, so now that I'm done, I want to go back to airport and get started with my rule expression tab. I would like to apply this symbol to all artwork that satisfies my expression, which will be C3 equals airport. And then I want to go to my visual properties and I can select any airport symbol in the list. And then I want to select the scale option and scale it down to 70%. I'm going to repeat this same process for each of my 3 other symbols, which will be, again, creating a rule expression, selecting my symbol, and then scaling it back to 70%. Alright, so now that I have completed all of my symbols, I can click the Apply button, and the specified symbols will be applied to my map. So now if I zoom in a little bit, I can see that the styles used in the Symbols panel are now linked to the attribute values specified by my style rules. Of course, I can always go back in and add more rules and symbols, so that way all of the points on my map have a symbol associated with them. I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.